In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free GPUs to run ComfyUI or any of your AI projects. And before we start, let me clear one thing that I'm not talking about Google Colab or Kaggle Notebook. I mean, yeah, you can get free GPUs there, but they are super limited. But with this method that I'm talking about, you can get super powerful GPUs like H100 and H200 completely for free. And also on this channel, I'll be posting videos related to generative AI projects, AI challenges, my learning journey of generative AI, and as well as useful and interesting AI tools and resources. So if you're into this kind of content, make sure to hit that like button. And without wasting any more time, let's get into the computer screen. So first thing first, like here's the site and it's lightning.ai. You can even get the link in description below. So just click on the get started and you can even use Google for login. But there's a minor issue with this site that you may not get $15 credit every time. I don't know the reason, maybe because you are using your university Wi-Fi or college Wi-Fi or office Wi-Fi. Maybe because like the same IP is allocated to multiple users and they think that their system is getting exploited by you or maybe any reason. If that's the case, you can just contact them. I guess they will resolve the issue. If not, still like you can access the free CPU or compute. So at least you can try this. To be on a safer side, I recommend you to use your mobile network for registering. Despite this issue, I'm still creating video on this because like once you get the $15 free credit on the first month, it resets every month, so you can use it without any tension. And this is one of the best platform out there, and that is giving you free $15 worth of GPU compute. So why don't you give it a try? So once you are done with registration, I mean, like you can continue with Google or even with your email, I guess. So if you have got $15 credits, like you would have seen over here, and if not, you can still get free CPU compute. Let me show like how you can get that. So like for this, you just have to click on the new studio over here. You can just directly have this for like ComfyUI, Streamlit application, and a few bunch of other options. But here I'm telling you how you can get the bare minimum the compute system. It will open a VS Code. So for this, like you just select over here. So for this, like you will get the compute for free. I don't know, there will be some limit, but it's free to use at least to an extent. So if you want to have the GPU access, like here you can see. I recommend you like if you are just trying practicing over here, you can try this one. It's like T4 and it's like even like when you click over here you can see all these options like from different providers and the price over here. So for this like you have to know two things, like here's the credit and this is like the wait time. So this will be like per hour basis credit and this is like how much you have to wait for the first time while creating this instance for you. So like let's assume like we want to have this one. So I like the A100 from Nimbus, but this is down at this moment. But this is really a great GPU. I mean, like A100, like you can use this for a bunch of like heavy tasks because it has like around 80 GB of VRAM. So that's really great. But sometime you may not get this, but most of the time, if you get like this one, this is like really great option for you. Or you can even try H100 also, and as 200 I mean that will go beyond your credit. You can use till as 100. So for now, since I'm just trying to show you, I'll just use T4. The rest of the purpose, I mean everything is same. You not only this, you can even select like how many GPU you want to have, like the 4 or 1. Even like for like A100 you can have like 4, I guess, that come under the credit, but it will exhaust in a single hour. So yeah, for now let's just have this bare minimum T4. This is the one that you get with the Google Colab free version. Just click on the confirm and just hit the start. Once this is done, like you can access this 5 years code like this over here. Here you can even see a few other options. So for now, let's try to have ComfyUI on this. So if you want to have ComfyUI, I will have send you this file. This is like a bash script that will automatically create a ComfyUI setup on your system. For this, like I must have given you a link. You just download this file and drag and drop over here. And once this is uploaded over here, just type source I mean, just hit the source and the name of the file and just hit enter. It will automatically set up the ComfyUI in the system. And if you want to know about ComfyUI, just let me know. I will have another detailed video on that. So like once you run that, it will just create a new directory over here, ComfyUI. And if you are well aware about ComfyUI, you will just get to know that here's a main file that you will be running. So you can just come to here and just hit Python ComfyUI and main, and it will run the ComfyUI. Like here you can even see in the terminal, so it's working. And another issue is that it is running on localhost with this port, so we have to expose that. So for that, we will be coming to this option like this port viewer. Just come to here and click on this new port, and you can name anything you want, but the port number must match the port that we want to expose. Since our ComfyUI is running on port number 8188, so we'll add this over here and just hit the add button and just wait a little while. So this will run over here, and you can even see this public link over here. Just click on this. This will copy the link and just paste it over here. Just wait a little while. I don't know, there was some issue there. So I just restarted this Comfy web and on the same port, like on the same URL, you can just paste it over here. This time it is working. So here you can see the Comfy UI is loading. This is taking a little time because we are using the least powerful GPU. So just wait a little while. So here you can see like the config has opened over here. You can just create any of the workflow or just drag and drop your or import your workflow over here and you'll be good to go. If you want in detailed video about config, you can just let me know in the comment box below. I will create on that. Not only this, you can even connect the system via SSH. So for that, just come to here and here you can see like connect via SSH. Just click on this and I have already connected for one system. You can just you will see something like this. You just copy this and then just go to your terminal and just paste it over here and just hit enter. It will just generate an SSH key, and after that you can see a link over here. Just copy this and then just again go back to the same terminal and paste this. And now just wait a little while. And here you have connected the system by as such. So so here you can even see the same system configuration so that I have got. So yeah, you can connect to this system by SSH as well. Not only this, you can even just host your LLM models. I mean, of course, for testing and learning purpose. So for here, so I mean, since I have created another instance with H100, because here we get a more, I guess, 80 GB or 40 GB of VRAM. So this will be good enough to host, I guess, 6 or 8 billion parameters model. So I'll try hosting this one. So for this, you can just copy this ID of this model either from the URL or just click over here to copy this and just come to here. After that, firstly, you have to install this GLLM package. After that, you also have to update a few packages for NumPy. This is because this Lightning AI have recently changed this Docker version, I guess. So just hit this, and after that, so we are done, and we just have to hit this. Once all the packages are installed properly, so we just have to hit GLLM solve and the ID we just copied from there, and we are good to go. I mean, yeah, of course, there will be so many other parameters. So if you want to have a detailed, in-depth video about how to host all this, so for personal purpose like Llama CPP and even Olama can also work better. So I just want to show you this. I just wanted to show you that this is also possible. Not like you can do this. I mean, this is like how these AWS and these huge companies are hosting their model. So they're also using this model. So if you want the in-depth video about all this, you can just let me know. So just let's wait till it's loading this model. So yeah, it's done hosted on, and yeah, this one is also hosted on localhost, and the port is 8000. So similarly, we just create a new port 8000 and expose this, and just click over here and just get the public URL, and then after that, so here I have created a simple Python code to test if this is working in my local system. So here I am exposing it by this URL. So just hit the command and hit a prompt over here, and it has given us the response from this model. So yeah, we can see this. I had created this video just to showcase how you can get free GPU resource for your purpose. It can be either for ComfyUI or your hosting LLM models or your own AI projects. So if you want any in-depth video regarding any of these, you can just let me know in the comment box below. I hope you found this video helpful and now you can use free GPU for your ComfyUI or any of your AI projects. And if you are interested in similar kind of AI related videos, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, if you have any idea related to AI challenge, let me know in the comment box below so I can create a new video on that. And with this being said, I'll see you in the next one.